Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the local storage versus session storage. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what are they? Local storage stores the data without expiration, survives browser restarts. Session storage stores the data temporarily, cleared when the tab and the window closes. Key difference: persistence, like how long they stay. Local storage across the sessions and the session storage per session, tab or window. Scope: shared across the tabs and isolated per tab. Storage limit is 5 to 10 MB and the session storage is 5 MB. Expiry: until manually cleared. Local storage and the session storage cleared when the session ends. When to use local storage: persistent data, user preferences, theme settings, cross tab, and the large datasets. So the local storage, we can say about the token that we are saving into our local storage, and the dark and light mode theme settings. Here we are going to use that one. Next we have when to use the session storage: temporary data, form input per tab, secure session tokens, shopping cart, tab specific, short lived application state. So in that case we can use security considerations: don't store sensitive info, example passwords, use encryption if needed. Risk of the excesses: storage accessible via JavaScript, always clear storage when no longer needed. Browser compatibility: supported in all the modern browsers, limited support in older versions, test storage limits across devices. Final thoughts: use local storage for long term cross session data, use session storage for the short term tab specific data. Choose based on the data longevity, scope, and the sensitivity. Summary: let's take a look. So, feature, that is duration. If you go with the local storage, that's long term. Session, short term. Scope, all tabs, and it's gonna be the single tab. Capacity, higher and lower. Use case, preferences, themes, we are using in the local storage. Session storage goes with the forms and the tokens. Security: less secure, more secure. So this is the code example. So here you can see that how we can set the local storage with the help of local storage dot set item, and this is a key and the value. Okay, and if you want to remove it, so local storage dot remove item, the name of the key. If you want to clear everything, locus dot clear. Okay. Session, how we can set this session storage with session storage dot set item, key and the value. And how to get it, dot get item. And how to remove it, dot remove item. And how to clear it, session storage dot clear. So this is all about this local and the session storage. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.